Good evening, everybody. Welcome back. Hope y'all had an amazing day. Everybody staying safe, staying healthy. These are hard times for everybody. Coronavirus going around. People panic. We don't really know what's going on anymore, but hey, I'm here to stay positive. We're still here. We're still alive. Anybody that's had any hard times from this, any troubles, family members sick, thoughts and prayers go out to y'all. Uh, but we're not here to talk about that. We're here to keep it positive, talk about football cards. I tell you what. So here we are. I picked up a box of 2018 score. Got it on clearance. Uh, Another pack 2018 playoff. I guess you call these hanger boxes. Like I said, still new, still learning, still here, baby. Been thinking about this channel a little bit. I want to take it from instead of just bust a couple retail boxes and then straight into hobbies. I want to make this channel more about my journey from getting into the hobby. I was big into memorabilia, obviously. Just a couple of things I could bring out here. I don't really care too much about. I ain't bringing no framed jerseys or nothing like that out here, but Bo Jackson, Derek Carr, a couple of my auto jerseys, Jonathan Abram, old Rocket Ismail, some of my mini helmets, whatever. Just try to make something, a little presentation that I can. Laid a few cards out here, whatnot, just until I get my final card break. I know the lighting is not the best here, but I'm working on that. I'm gonna make a area for some good lighting to make these card breaks the best I can. I want to work on this channel. I want to make it big. Big expectations for myself. I could end up with 3 subscribers and never go nowhere, but you know what? I'm gonna keep it positive. You know why? Because we're here to run this. We're here to be the best. So, without further ado, let's jump into some of this 2018 score. I'll get this out of the way for now. Some 2018 score. Focus in there. Yeah, there you go. I'm not really sure what y'all call these. I've heard them called blister boxes. I've heard them called hanger boxes. If somebody really knows and wants to let me know, throw it in the comments. I'm open to all suggestions, all comments, positive, negative, whatever. It's just gonna make me better. So here we go. See what we got. These are clearance, cheap little boxes, so I'm not super worried about what I get out here. But hey, I'd like to hit a little something, you know what I'm saying? A little something. I think I see a hit in there. Some sort of hit. I see a thick card. Empty. Let's go. Score, I know, from what I do know, is not the best product, but I found these packs cheap on clearance, so I mean, throw a little bit of money at it. It's better than drugs, I can say. So let's see. Let's get this hit to the back. So we'll throw him to the back. We got a little Geno Atkins, Shaq Lawson, a little Jason Witten, Tyrann Mateo, Kendall Wright, Kenny Galladay, Jeremy Maclin, Duke Johnson, Kenny Stills, Hunter Henry, pretty good, Ryan Kelly, Willie Snead, Greg Zerlin, Marlon Mack, Malcolm Butler, Cooper Kupp, James Conner. He was a beast on my fantasy. Not as much this year, but it's whatever. Kenny Vaccaro, Josh Norman, DeMarco Murray. What we got here? Paul Richardson, Sharif, Sam Darnold, Kevin White, Greg Zerlin, Kyle Latte, OBJ, little insert sidelines. Guess you're getting some of these inserts. Andy Dalton, Color Rush, Levon, Kirk Cousins, Deshaun, Joe Mixon, Cam, Jason Witten, another little nice little insert. I mean, it's not a good card, but Jason Witten, he's coming to my team, you know what I'm saying? Christian Kirk. I remember when everybody's talking about Cam Newton. He was the next big thing. Harold Landry. Little Eli. Alright, let's get some of these. Erikith. Well, I can't pronounce that last name. Proel? I don't know. Ryan Izzo. Michael Gallup. Royce Freeman. Josh Rosen. Austin Allen. Cedric Wilson. St. Brown. I can't pronounce that first name. If y'all can see that. It's toughy. Mark Andrews. Riley Ferguson. Darren Carrington. And Bradley Chubb from NC State. Alright, let's see what we got here for a hit. Mason Rudolph. It's QB hit. Hey, I mean, it's not the best card. It's not $1 million, but hey, I'll take it in a little clearance box. You know what I'm saying? And it's score. So, Mason Rudolph. It is a pretty card. Oklahoma State. We also had that purple. Alright. Got them broke. Let's move into the playoff. Little. Like I said, I'm not exactly sure what to call it. Blister box. Rack box. I've heard a couple people call them different things, but like I said, feel free to go to my comments and let me know what people really call them, and I will be obliged to know. I see a thicker card in there, maybe another hit. I mean, also clearance, so here we go. Like I said, guys, I was going to just start jumping into some bigger boxes, bigger things, but I'm going to hold off. I'm going to wait, and I'm going to make this YouTube channel kind of about my journey of moving on up. So let's see where you're at. That's thicker card. Let's move it to the back. Oh, got some green parallels coming to the front here. Let's see. Let's just go through these here. Keelan Cole. Dak. Melvin Ingram. J.J. Watt. Dalton Schultz. Keyshawn Green. Sorry about that. Hidden Gems. Old Edelman. Rookie Wave, Anthony Miller. Matt Ryan from the Falcons. Some nice little inserts. Thunder and Lightning. Clay Matthews, Clinton Dix. Josh Allen. Hey, Could be a good one. Rookie wave. Andy Dalton. Dallas Goedert. Jordan Wilkins. Cortland Sutton. Deshaun Hand. Nyheim Hines. Cedric Wilson Jr. That's a rookie. It's trash. Devontae Adams. Old Julius Peppers. Eric Ebron. Old Tyrod Taylor. David Johnson. Demaryius Thomas. T.Y. Hilton. Tyler Eifert. Eric Berry. And Tavon Austin. Let's get this last little stack. Marlon Mack. AJ Green. I know it's not Marlon, it's Marlon Mack, but I just say it like that. Tyreek Hill. DeMarcus Lawrence. Desmond Trufant. A.A. Ron Jones. CMC. Run CMC. Old Zeke Elliott. Tevin Coleman. Darius Slay. Danny Amendola. Matt Breida. Chris Hogan. Cameron Brate. Janoris Jenkins. Cooper Kupp. Alshon Jeffrey. Mike Evans. Paul Perkins. Chris Thompson. Bruce Irvins. Old Kenyon Drake. Jimmy G. Julian Edelman. Deshaun Jackson. Jonathan Stewart. Todd Gurley. Mike Williams. Jesse James. James White. Old Jameis. Let's see what this last card is. Justin Watson from Tampa Bay Bucks. And it is an autograph. It's a rookie auto. There you go. Not on card or nothing like that, but it's a clearance pack. Expect an on card auto clearance pack, but Justin Watson rookie. Wide receiver for Tampa Bay Bucks. Alright then. We'll take it. A couple clearance hanger boxes, whatever you want to call it. But thank y'all for tuning in. Hope y'all enjoyed it. A little bit of entertainment for these tough times, what have you. Hope y'all have a good evening. Y'all stay safe, stay healthy. And I appreciate it. Like and subscribe. Share to your friends. It's not a whole lot, but it's a little something, a little entertainment. And hope y'all have a good night. Thank you.